Okay, hello and welcome back everyone to them Kevin from C, and there I have this Takumar 120mm f2.8, like it says over here. Let's turn it around. There you go. See, so I'm actually using focus speaking today, so I might not be 100% in focus, but let me just see later. So this is how you open it up essentially. I have forgotten to record this first, and so I'm gonna explain first how. So first you have the lens itself with this ring. This ring in the front is not supposed to be opened like the 51.4, 51.8 where you open the name ring thingy, but in this you have to open this thing, the silver ring on the side. Let me go show you a photo, so you can actually understand. Let's see. This is the photo. So there you go. See. So this. Let me try focusing down. This is the ring you want to open up essentially. That silver thing. On mine, this thing was crazy hard, and I had to cut 2 slots in this thing. I use a Dremel tool for this, and it does work nicely. I've tried with these rubber sock thingies, but honestly they were not coming out. And even with this thing I bought recently, that was really hard to take off, but at least it now is off. So then after you have that off, you can actually access these 3 small screws right here. Wait, it's F4. This is macro. Okay, there you go. See, 3 screws right there that are on the side of this ring. Here and here. This thing is on the front of this lens essentially. And then you just pull the name ring off, and then you have this optical block which just screws into this guy. So just unscrew that and it comes out, and then it has this retainer ring right here, which holds in the front optic. And then in the after the front optic's out, you can open up the second optic right here, see. And then after that, my lens is clean. You can probably clean the back. The back seems like it can be opened with some rubber tools and just separate it. This guy's grayish metal and this guy's black shiny metal. But on mine doesn't come out, so I'm gonna have to open this ring to actually clean the second group. This thing I think has 4 groups and a few elements, more than 4, like 5 or 6. So there's the front, the middle, the front, the one right under the front. Then you have the one under this middle bit right here. This thing looks like a doublet. Under this doublet there's one more element, and there's a doublet in this. Wait. In the lens body right there. So yeah, that's pretty much how you open this thing up. To calibrate focus and stuff, you can see there are some screws in there. That's how. And yeah, they pretty much come apart after this section like any other Takumar. So yeah, sorry that I did not record the process, but at least now I can explain everything to you. And thank you and goodbye.